Quick immigration update. If you're not a US citizen, you've probably heard something about the new alien registration requirements that went into effect on April 11th, 2025. Don't panic, we're here to break it all down for you. Let's start with who does not need to register under the new policy. US citizens and people who are in the US for less than 30 days. Easy, right? Now, what about everyone else? You might already be registered or already registered without realizing it. And if so, you all set. You don't need to do anything extra if you fall into one of these categories. Permanent resident, or what we also know as green card holders. People with any kind of parole or an I-94, like a humanitarian parole, advanced parole, a military parole in place, even if their state or status has already expired. People who had a valid visa when they last entered, unless you were under 14 years old. So what that means, if you enter with your parent and you were less than under 14 years old, you may have to re-register. People who are currently awaiting removal proceedings, no worries, you are registered. Anyone with a work permit or a border crossing card are already also registered. Anyone also who filed for legal permanent resident through the adjustment of status process and have completed their biometrics are already registered. So who is required to register? Basically, everyone else who doesn't fall into the previous categories I mentioned. In particular, if you have a pending adjustment of status, a U visa application, or a pending or approved I-601 unlawful waiver present, and you have not done your biometrics yet, you do need to register. Not sure if you should do it or not, you're not alone. We recommend talking to an immigration attorney before taking action. There are risks and benefits to registering, and it depends on your case. So let's figure it out together. Immigration rules are changing fast, but you don't have to face them alone. Book a consultation with us today and make sure your rights and your future are protected. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more updates.